know you probably heard of me. Got a bag and fix my teeth. Hope you hoes know it ain't cheap. And I pay my mama bills. I ain't got no time to chill. Think these hoes be mad at me. They baby father run a bill. That little bitch, you can fuck with me if you want.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. So today is another day on holiday. I am on holiday. If you've not watched my day one in Cape Town, if you've not watched my Cape Town apartment tour, then I wonder what you are really doing on my channel. But anyway, thank you guys for coming to my channel. Today is just another day in Cape Town, and it has been rainy, and my view that I have, my beautiful view of Table Mountain that I have from my apartment, I can't see it anymore because the fog has covered it, and it has been rainy and gloomy. I'm going to try to still be a tourist today, so I'm not sure what I'm doing today, but I'm just going to go with the flow. And my friend will be arriving this night. So this is my outfit of the day. I'm holding my tripod today because yesterday I feel like my videos were really shaky. So yeah, the back is like open and I had to tie it here, and it's really cute. This guy right here, imagine I came ready for this holiday. Honestly, this guy right here is the key to every bra problem in your life. Just saying. It's drizzling, and I just stopped by at a place because I don't want to get wet. It's drizzling everywhere. People are staring. Oh my gosh. Back into the rain I go. Guys, the life of a tourist in rain, not nice.
You promised me to tell if there's anything haunting you. You leave without saying where you're going or where to. Should I worry that you won't come back? Should I worry that you will forget? My senses telling me I shouldn't worry, you know that.
So today is a public holiday and they are closed. I just got to the V&A waterfront and I decided to come here because I just needed to look for like an indoor activity, and I just got to a place I've never seen before and it's so beautiful. I'm going to show you guys the view right now and it's so nice.
You promised me to tell if there's anything haunting you, and you leave me unaware if I might have been hurting you. Ooh, should I worry that you won't come back, or accept any time as a fact? My heart is telling me I shouldn't worry, you know.
This market is such a busy place, but I'm getting tea for my dad. I just got almonds for my mom. I'm also going to buy some macaroons. Yeah, I really like this place. I love it.
I know I could lie, but I'm telling the truth. Wherever I go, there's a shadow of you.
His heart was a stone, but then his hands
I just need one more shot, have forgiveness.
oh, 'cause all of the doubts and the others keep making love to each other, and I'm trying, sinking like a candle.
No easy love could ever make me feel the same.
If you knew better,
nuts, guys. I got nuts for my mom, tea for my dad. I don't know why is it dark. Everywhere is dark. Tea for my dad, chocolates for my sister, and yeah, that's it. I'm enjoying myself alone. Oh, my view is so nice, guys. I keep showing you guys views, but I need to show you guys this one. Maranatha. So I'm in a fitting room. I don't know, like I bought sports bras yesterday and I'm still buying sports bras. Like why do I keep doing this? Like I'm so obsessed with sports clothes. It's getting really scary. Like I've been buying sports clothes since, and once again I saw sports bras, I like them and I'm buying them. They're playing Nigerian music. Meanwhile, I feel like justice wasn't done to the outfit I wore today. Like, I really like this outfit, guys. I just wanted to say that the problem I've been facing in this place is that, I don't know, people keep staring at me. Do I look like a tourist? Like, do I look so much like a tourist? Like, people stare at me a lot. Like, people that are tourists stare at me. Locals stare at me. Like, I don't understand. Like, it's actually really awkward. Sometimes I'm just like, let me walk fast and run away.
Who wants to go?
Last minute decision, but I am going on a boat cruise, guys. I'm already on the boat, so I'm just waiting for them to start.
It's dark.
Boat cruise.
No, ma'am. It's too dark.
Savannah,
My sister, I'm asking you.
And I know she'll be the death of me. At least we'll both be numb. And she'll always get the best of me. The worst is yet to come. But at least we'll both be beautiful and stay forever young. This I know. Yeah, this I know. She told me don't worry about it. She told me don't worry no more. We both know you can't go without it. She told me you'll never be
they call it Canal cruise. And I think I'll go for the harbor cruise tomorrow actually. But that was really nice. I had fun. And see, can you see that sheep on my back? I don't know. Can you guys see it? Okay, you can see it. Anyway, forget I talked about it. Yeah, I'm still enjoying myself. I think I want to go to the mall, get something to eat. Then I plan on going for the sunset bus to watch the sunset from like a mountain top, which is going to be so beautiful and so nice. You guys should stick to my Instagram, guys, because I'm going to post all these photos. On the sunset bus. Sunset bus.
Can we plug you in then?
Yay! To watch the sunset, and I heard that South African sunset is one of the most beautiful in the world. So yeah, a lot of people are here. There's traffic and it's so nice and it's already looking so beautiful. I'm thinking I should just climb up the hill. I don't know, but it's so nice. Like there's traffic everywhere, and yeah.
The bus service, I think it's going to take 12 hours.
The girl has no weight.
The sunset is gone so fast, like in the blink of an eye. Yeah, so it's a video so fast. Like I was taking my photos and then I turned back and then I was like, whoa, where's the sunset? It was gone so fast, but it was so beautiful. Yeah. The beauty of Cape Town, or the beauty that is Cape Town. For today, I really had fun, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys tomorrow, my next vlog, my next Cape Town vlog. You guys should stay tuned. I hope you guys are subscribed. If you haven't, please do subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Don't forget to follow me on my social media accounts, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next YouTube video. Bye.